about how to find perimeter of different shapes. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape or 2D shape. It can also be defined as the length of the outline of a shape. To find the perimeter of a shape, add the length of all the sides. As we know that perimeter is the distance around any two-dimensional shape, so the perimeter is represented by the arrow. So the outline or the boundary of the square is represented as perimeter. Similarly, this is the perimeter of a triangle represented by arrows. This is the perimeter of a rectangle, the outer boundary of a rectangle. Similarly, the perimeter of a pentagon is also represented by the outer boundary or outline. So now we are going to find the perimeter of a square. This is a square, and you can see here that the perimeter is the sum of all the sides, or the outline is also called the perimeter of a shape. So here we have to find the perimeter of a square. So how we'll find it out? Formula. We will use a formula for finding the perimeter of a square. As we know that in a square all the four sides are equal in length, so we will add all the four sides of the square, or we can use this formula: perimeter is equals to 4 multiplied by side. Two formulas we can use here. We can find the perimeter of a square by adding all the four sides, or we can also find the perimeter of a square by multiplying its side by 4. So perimeter is equals to 4 multiplied by side, or 4s. Now let's solve an example. Here we have a square, and the perimeter of a square means the outer boundary of the square. So it's all the four sides are equal in length. AB 2 cm, BC 2 cm, CD 2 cm, and AD also 2 cm. So by adding its all the sides, we can find its perimeter. So perimeter is equals to side plus side plus side plus side. So we'll add them all the side. 2 cm plus 2 cm plus 2 cm, and then plus 2 cm. So the perimeter is equals to 8 cm. Now here we are going to find the perimeter of a square by using the second formula. Perimeter is equals to 4 multiplied by side. It is also very easy. We'll simply multiply 4 by its side. You know, all the sides of the square are same in length, so we'll multiply any of the side. That is 2 cm. 4 2s are 8. So perimeter of a square is equals to 8 cm. Now the perimeter of a rectangle. How to find the perimeter of a rectangle? This is the rectangle. You can see the rectangle has two dimensions, length and breadth. So what is the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle? Let's check. We can find the perimeter of a rectangle by adding its two length and its two breadths. Similarly, we can also write it as 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth, or 2 multiplied by length plus breadth inside the round brackets. We can use all these three formulas to find the perimeter of a rectangle. This is the short form. Now let's solve some of the examples. Here a rectangle is given. Its length is 12 cm and breadth is 7 cm. So we'll use a formula: length plus breadth and find the perimeter of a rectangle. As we know, length are 12 cm, we'll put 12 cm, and then breadth 7 cm, we'll write 7 centimeter. So after adding them, we will get perimeter is equals to 38 centimeter. Now we are going to use the another formula for finding perimeter of a rectangle, that is perimeter is equals to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So we'll put the values. As we know, length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeters. First of all, we will solve the operations inside the bracket. We will add 12 and 7 centimeter, which are equal to 19 centimeter. So 19 into 2 equals to 38 centimeter. So the perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 38 centimeter. Now how to find the perimeter of a triangle? Here you can see this is an example of a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides, side 1, side 2 and side 3. So how to find its perimeter? In order to find the perimeter of a triangle, we will add all these 3 sides, like side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. So let's solve few of the examples. Here we have a triangle in which all the 3 sides are same, 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter and plus 4 centimeter. So how we will find its perimeter? As we have discussed earlier, the perimeter of a triangle means we will add length of all the 3 sides. So we'll simply add the length of 3 sides, 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. So the perimeter of a triangle is 12 centimeter. Another example. This is a right angle triangle. So here the length of all the 3 sides are different. So by using the same formula of adding all the 3 sides length, we will find the perimeter of this triangle. We'll add all the 3 sides, 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. When we will add them, we'll get the perimeter of a triangle equals to 12 centimeter. How to find the perimeter of a pentagon? As you know, the pentagon is a 5-sided figure. In order to find the perimeter of a pentagon, we will add all its sides. So the formula is perimeter of a pentagon is equals to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4 plus side 5. We will add all these sides, all the 5 sides, to find the perimeter of a pentagon. So here an example. A pentagon is given. Its sides are 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So how we will find its perimeter? Yes, very good. We will add all these sides, and after adding 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 7 centimeter plus 10 centimeter, we will get the perimeter of a pentagon, that is 43 centimeter. Can you find perimeter of the given shapes? Some of the shapes are given here. You have to just add their sides and find the perimeter. Good luck and thank you.